This is called the Eastern Star. I crocheted this and I can teach you how to do it. So let's get started on the tutorial. The tutorial is going to be on the Eastern Star. So it's a motif in crochet, and I'm going to start with a slip knot, and I'm going to go ahead and chain up 6. I'm using a 4.0 hook and just some basic acrylic yarn. So we're going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're going to slip stitch it into the first stitch. So you just go through here, grab your yarn and pull through both, and that's going to give you a little circle, and that's what we're going to be working in today. Okay, so let's go on. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to put 12 single crochets into this circle. Now we're going to chain 3 in between each. So we're going to go ahead and we got to chain 1 first, and then we're going to go in here and do a single crochet. So that's 1, and then we're going to chain 3, 2, 3, go in here with another single crochet. That's 2 single crochets, and we're going to chain 3. Okay, go back in here, another single crochet. That's 3, chain 3. Okay, go back in here. That's 4, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet. It's 5, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 6. That's 1, 2, 3. 7. 1, 2, 3. 8. 1, 2, 3. 9. 1, 2, 3. 10. 1, 2, 3. 11. 1, 2, 3. And then 12. 1, 2, 3, and we slip stitch it into the first single crochet. So we find that single crochet, might be hard to find, but you find it there, and then you go ahead and you slip stitch it right into it. Okay, all right, and that is the end of this round. So let's go on to the next. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to get to this space right here, and in order to do that we have to do a slip stitch. So we got to go in here and do a slip stitch, and that's going to get us to this spot right here. So we're going to put a single crochet right into this spot, and this is the chain 3 spot that we had from the previous round. So we're going to go in here and do a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to go and put a single crochet into the next chain 3 space. Single crochet right there, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we put a single crochet right into this space here, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the next chain 3 space from the previous round, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the chain 3 space. Okay, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet right into the chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the next chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the next chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the next chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into this space here, chain 3, and then we slip stitch. Actually, we put a half double crochet. So this is the end here, and what we're going to do is put a half double crochet into this space here. Okay, so, and that is going to be the end of this round. All right. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and chain them 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to put a single crochet into the next chain 3 space, which is this one here. Okay, so we put a single crochet, and then we go ahead and we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and a single crochet into the next chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the next chain 3. Okay, we just do this all the way around. Okay, and so this is the end of that round, and then we put a half double crochet so we go ahead and put a half double crochet right into here. Okay, and that ends that round just like that. Okay, so now what we do is in the chain 6 space here, we're going to go ahead and put 5 double crochets, chain 2, 5 double crochets. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 2, and then put 5 more. So we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and put a single crochet into the chain 3 space. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and put the 5 double crochets, chain 2, 5 double crochets, so that's 3, 4, 5, chain 2, and then put 5 more right in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then in the next chain 3 space, we are going to put a single crochet. Okay, and then we go ahead and we put the 5 double crochets, chain 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 2, and then 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then right in here a single crochet, and so you do that all the way around. So if you want to go ahead and do that, and I will meet you when we get to right here. Okay, so I've made it to the end, and I wanted to make sure that I told you how to finish it. So the last one here should be a single crochet. Okay, and then you just fasten it off, slip stitch it right there, and then you just end it. It's done. So that is the Eastern Star. Let's go ahead and cut this. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut it. You sew in your ends, and that, my friends, is the Eastern Star. Look at how cute that is. It was super easy, super fun to do. You can make a bunch of them and connect it together. Either way, I hope this tutorial helps you, and let me know in the comments if you guys like it. Y'all have a good one.